Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shivakant Pathak here with you to see a topic ratio of specific heat capacity at constant pressure to specific heat capacity at constant volume for gases. Let a polyatomic gas has n degree of freedom. If it has n degrees of freedom, so here in this case we are not considering monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic. We are treating as a general polyatomic gas containing n degree of freedom. Then we can calculate the first thing, then internal energy per molecule with n degrees of freedom is represented by U, number of degree into in each degree of freedom, that is half kT. So this becomes 1 by 2 n kT. This is n by 2 kT into Avogadro number. This is capital N. It can be arranged in N, capital N K T. It is Avogadro number where N is symbol as union meaning. We may write in this side small n is number of degrees of freedom, capital N is Avogadro number. Why multiplied by Avogadro number? If you multiply Avogadro number means internal energy per molecule with n degrees of freedom of 1 gram mole of gas is given by this. This is internal energy. Here it can be shortized in this way. Nk we are knowing is equal to R. Avogadro number into Boltzmann constant is equal to universal gas constant R. So this U becomes half. This is not M, this is N, number of degree of freedom, and RT. This total energy, internal energy is given by equation number 1. We are going to treat as number 1. Now see, specific heat capacity at constant volume is denoted by C. It is change in internal energy by with respect to time. So it is d by dt of U is n by 2 RT. So dt d by dt cancel. It's become CV is equal to nr by 2. This is equation number 2. Since Cp, specific heat capacity at constant pressure, is equal to Cv plus R, this implies that Cv is nr by 2 plus R. It becomes n by 2 plus 1 R. It is Cp. We may see. Equation 3. Hence, ratio gamma, that is Cp by Cv is equal to Cp is n by 2 plus 1 R by n by 2 R. R is cancelled by R. We may write by calculating multiplying by 2 up and down we may write it is gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by n. 2 by n represented by equation number 4. This is the required relation between Cp by Cv and degrees of freedom, right? We are knowing for monoatomic n is equal to 3, diatomic n is equal to 5, triatomic atomic. Two cases. First, for linear. In case of linear, it is n is equal to 7. Second, non-linear n is equal to 6. So we can obtain the value of n by which gamma can be calculated. So this is called general formula to calculate gamma is equal to 1 plus 2 by n. Thank you and have a nice day to all.